The United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF, a leading organization working towards child rights around the globe, organized an event for their campaign in Delhi titled Fair Start, in presence of Indian actress Priyanka Chopra, who is their Goodwill Ambassador in India. Fair Start aims to bridge the gap between children from varied socio-economic backgrounds. Chopra addressed the issue and shared her views on gender equality.
This is the generation that India should be proud of. This is the generation of tomorrow. This is the generation of adolescent children who have been fortunate enough to have parents like mine that never made a disparity between me and my brother, that raised me as an opinionated girl.
Louis George Arsenault, UNICEF's representative to India, talked about Indian policies and their implementation.
We are pushing at the same time many policies at national level. Education is one, and also universal health coverage, and also on child marriage, sex ratio. We are pushing very hard to ensure that India usually has a good set of policies. The implementation is where we need to spend much more time.
Chopra shared with Media India Group her views on refugee kids in Europe.
What is your view on the kids, refugees coming from Syria, coming to Europe with many difficulties, and how can you relate your work in India to them?
I believe in humanity. I always have believed in humanity. And I understand that the place where we are right now, whether it is Europe, whether it is America, whether it is India, whichever, as a whole in the globe, we are going through a very violent turmoil. Violence seems to have become our everyday reality. Again, we are getting desensitized to it because every day we hear this many people are killed in this part of the world, this many people are killed here. Whereas, and for what reason? Your God is better than mine. No, my God is better. Who has seen God? How can we be creating such disparities based on faiths? Everyone has a right to have their own. So when it comes to, like I said, the work that I do with UNICEF in India also requires a helping hand. Whereas children from all over the world, it's not their fault that they are subjected to the violence that they are subjected to. So if we can help, if Europe can help, if America can help, if India can help, if anyone can help, if you and I can help, forget the countries. If you and I can help, we should. Helping is an individual decision. Helping is an individual responsibility.
In a country where millions of children are deprived of education, are engaged in work, and where many die before reaching the age of 5, a campaign like Fair Start comes across as hopeful. But even Priyanka Chopra points at the disparities in the country and the long road ahead.